Hello guys, WarwickshireMidlandsWeather here, and welcome to a video. And right there we have a thunderstorm just developed off Corby. It developed off Corby and it's slightly... oh, we got another update now. Yeah, and it's drifting towards us, so hopefully this hits us, hopefully it keeps its intensity. But these clouds are looking proper convective, even to our southeast. So hopefully these thunderstorms keep in strength, which I think they will. But yeah, look at these clouds. Yeah, these clouds are really developing now. We could see the odd tornado or two or funnel cloud. Convective weather has issued a green for us. So yeah, and they did mention that there could be one or two isolated tornadoes in the green area. Oh wow, it's looking so dark. Oh, what do we have there? Is that a funnel I can see? Aha, yes it is. There's a funnel right there, what appears to look like a funnel. Right there. Just right there. Oh my god, these clouds. Wow. Yeah, we are definitely going to get a thunderstorm by the looks of it. Yeah, 31. It has not updated in a while. Now these clouds are getting really dark and convective. Something's definitely happening. The good thing is I can take photos while filming. Come on, update. Jesus Christ, these clouds. We're not even in these, this bit either. On the edge of it at the moment. But that is where the storm is. So that's not the storm. Well, it probably will be very soon. Yeah, these guys are looking proper scary. Okay, we're at the front. Look at this. We've got an updraft right here. Stay there, good boy. Yeah, I won't. He won't come out. We got a lot of updraft right there. Got some biggish raindrops now. Stay there. Right there. Bloody hell. Oh my god, it's so dark. This hasn't updated just yet. Oh wow, it's already chalking it down. It's so dark.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Can I have that paper?
Boy, aren't ya?
I just want to play, I just want to play.
Come on, all day.
What is this doing? Ow!
I know, he nibbles, he gets too excited. Yeah, it does.
Nippy.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, come on, update, that'd be nice. Come on, update. Oh my God, it's here. Look at that. Bloody hell. Wow. Oh my God, there. Oh yeah, look at the size of those raindrops, they are enormous. Oh, we've got loads of rain to come. Oh my God. Oh, it's really coming down. Unfortunately, it's no longer a storm, but it can easily redevelop into one. Hopefully. But at least we've got this torrential rain. Oh, it's getting heavier. Oh, bloody hell. Oh my God, this torrential rain is crazy. Wow, 18 millimeters per hour rate. We're currently on 5.3 millimeters accumulations. Bloody hell. I'm not sure how long we've got this left, but God knows. There's also a cell developing there as well. Yeah, there's definitely going to be some flooding around. But yeah, shame it, the storm died off, but at least we've got torrential rain. But yeah, it's better than nothing. Oh, this rain doesn't want to stop, look. We're way past that now, and it's getting heavier again. My God. Bloody hell. It is not stopping yet. Okay, so the poetry is on 60mm per hour rate. I mean, look at it. That's literally only 5-6mm per hour rates. So, yeah. Yeah, that cell is looking quite interesting. And it's still hammering it down as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, thunderstorms are breaking out there. God knows how long we're gonna have this torrential rain. But this is literally severely underestimating the rainfall rates. Like, Jesus. You can tell, you know, this is quite thundering convective. I mean, look at the clouds. You got that really misty type cloud. So it's not just those ordinary shower clouds, it's big ass clouds. Looks like round 2 of more torrential rain. It's like sinking south. So it looks like we might get that storm there, hopefully. Look at these clouds. Wow. It's really dark still. Yeah, we're going to have an investigation outside later. Okay, so on that, it's not raining as heavy, but still quite heavy actually. Still heavy-ish. So, yeah, we're nearly on 10mm. I think we're on 10 now, so, yeah. So yeah, let's go. Oh god, I've mist in the air. It's going to be a damp one tonight. No sign of it ending, to be honest. This is growing really quickly as well. Bloody hell, how deep's this? Wow, okay, that's... Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, that's quite deep. Yeah. Did I turn the data off? Yeah, I did. Okay, good. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, the bluebells and stuff. Oh, this is quite a big puddle. Bloody hell. Oh my god, it's so wet. Jeez, so much water. Even the trees are all wet. Oh my god. Let's have a look here. Yeah, good job I put my wellies on because I knew, you know, I mean, 10mm, yeah, you know there's going to be some, oh bloody hell, you know there's going to be some big ass puddles and flooding and stuff. Oh my god. They're quite deep as well, not going to lie. Look at this. Yeah. Good job, I put my wellies on because I wouldn't be able to get anywhere. Yeah, it's deep. It's been a really wet May, but not as in loads of bands of rain. Well, we've had 2 big bands of rain that accumulated a lot, but yeah. Oh yeah, we accumulated 32mm the other day, so yeah. Yeah, look at the mist in the air. I mean, Met Office is going crazy for this rain. Well, the badgers will be happy, you know. So yeah, you might be thinking, why not the badger set? I'm very surprised. Well, let's just say I won't be able to go there anymore because, yeah, I found out it was private land, which is such a shame. I got approached by this man, which I didn't even know was private land, because they would have had fences around and stuff, or just says keep out private land, or you know. But yeah, at least the man was nice about it and stuff. But yeah, he said sorry, it's private land, you can't go there, blah blah blah. And he did say, oh, it's not your fault, you obviously didn't know and stuff. So yeah, but look at the air, it's so misty. Very misty. Raining fairly heavy still, so yeah. Okay, so we're going here. Looking at the rainfall rates, it's still 4mm per hour rates, and we have hit 10mm now. So yeah, that's quite a lot of rain in a short period of time. So especially if it's really heavy, you're gonna get a lot of flooding, obviously. So yeah, was that a frog? Oh no, it's a bird. I thought it was a frog then. Yeah, let's just have a walk around, you know. But thank fuck I've got my wellies on. See what I mean? The soil is mostly wet, so yeah, that's the issue about this country. Like, yeah, in the summer, in the winter, it's always wet regardless. Regardless if it's like bone dry or drought there, the ground's gonna be wet, so yeah, it's always gonna be wet. You know, you don't need the rain, it's just gonna be naturally wet. Yeah. But yeah, I hope the Met Office one's right. That'd be good, you know. Hopefully, but hopefully we do get some more heavy sales. Unfortunately, we didn't get the thunderstorm. It unfortunately died, but at least we've had the torrential rain, I guess. Better than nothing, I guess you could say. So yeah. At least it's not windy, which is good, so my umbrella won't break. Oh, I need to be really careful here. I don't want to get myself wet. Oh, look at the bluebells. Really pretty. At my cottage, we have loads of bluebells. I mean, it's completely full of bluebells and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's gonna be like this. Saturday looks really good, actually. That looks good for thunderstorms. Saturday does. So yeah, it's gonna be like this for the rest of the week, honestly. Just thundery in general. Very showery and thundery. So yeah. But like summer's not looking good. Well, the start of the summer, yeah. But June isn't looking too great. Thundery but wet. And probably humid too, but with some northerly shots, so yeah. We could get some frosty nights as well, maybe. Just a maybe, you know. But yeah. That's where we saw Foxy Woxy a month ago, I think, or less, I'm not sure. But yeah. Yeah, we saw Foxy Woxy, and then, as you know by the video screaming, we had the two foxes screaming over a duck and a chippy as well. So yeah, what's the rainfall rates like? Still heavy though. Yeah, that is not light whatsoever. That's not light. Jeez, look at the mist in the air. It's so damp. It's so damp. Well, this is the quarry right now. Nice deep puddles. Just saturated now. That bit of the quarry there is even worse. As you obviously know, you know. Yeah, it gets saturated very quickly. I mean, look at it. This is from today. Well, look at that. That is deep. I'm not even going to test it, you know, because that'll sink into the ground like this. It's like, oh, geez, there, just like that. So, yeah. There's going to be some really deep patches like this one, for example. There we go. I'll put it to 0.9 so you can see. Let's make a little. Oh, this is still coming out with water, and probably will do. It hasn't even gone down yet, but it's filling up. God, this is awful. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's a nice deep puddle right there. Just goes to show this is bone dry. When it gets really dry, this is literally just bone dry, rock hard. Just look at it. It's absolutely, it's literally like a forge. You need a 4x4 for this. I mean, this is really bad. And that as well. I mean, look at that. God knows how deep that is, but I am not testing that, just in case, you know. Oh yeah, it's really saturated the ground. And this is just from this rain we've had. So, just goes to show how quickly it filled up and how wet it gets really quickly. But yeah, it'll take a while for it to dry. So, yeah, it hasn't really dried up, but obviously this has gone into the ground, but some of it has. But yeah. Yeah, there's lots of water around. Even on there as well. Probably gonna be a little stream down here. Jesus. Yeah, this is literally our terrain. This is what we live on, this ground. And you see white floods very easily here, and you don't need that much rainfall for it to be flooded or to have or to have problems. Yeah, it just goes to show. Same with our rivers. Our rivers flood very easily. So, yeah, there's a little stream there right now. Yeah, let's go. Wow, look at this stream. Bloody hell, that bit there looks really deep. Oh god, I'm starting to sink into the ground. Yeah, look at these. These are collapsing. Oh, Jesus Christ, just like that. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah. Yeah, look. The ground's literally collapsing. It's like this. Wow, look at that one there. Look at this here. Oh my god, that looks really deep. Well, I want to kind of test it. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I don't want to go in there. Yeah, it's proper deep. Proper deep that is. Wow. Yeah, this is proper deep. Yeah, you can see the ground is like collapsing. This, I don't think. Oh my god. Yeah, oh bloody, I'm getting stuck. Yeah, not a good idea. Yeah, that is super deep. That is super deep. Oh, the ground actually freaking collapsed. You can tell. Oh god, look, there's like a stream here. Yeah. I'll help the stream, you know. Ooh, freaking heck. Oh jeez, yeah. Oh my god. I love going to the quarry because it's like, it goes bone dry in the summer. Well, I wouldn't say the summer, but when it gets dry, it'll be bone dry. Look how deep this is, bloody hell. That's about 10-15 centimetres deep. Bloody hell. But yeah, it just goes to show you, I just love it because it goes bone rock hard, bone dry. And when you get the rain, it's absolutely flooded. It literally is. It's crazy. That's why I like walking here, you know. But yeah, this is from today's rain, so it's obviously, you know, just shows it has rained a lot, and we're over 10 millimetres of rain as well. But yeah, it's light rain right now, but still cumulative rain. God, look at that field, it's absolutely soaking, loads of surface water. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is satisfying. Oh, it looks like chocolate. Look at this. It's a liquid. Oh, that is satisfying. That is super duper satisfying. That is like chocolate. That is legit chocolate right there. Oh. Don't need to go Cadbury as well, we've got loads of chocolate here. Oh my god, this puddle is insanely deep as well. Look at that. We're half a foot, yeah, here. It's nearly half a foot, Jesus. Well, like this, as you know, this becomes... Oh yeah, it's not, well, it's not like falling apart, but oh Jesus Christ. But the top layers, you should be okay here. Yeah, at the moment. Oh, there's been deers here. That looks like fox to me. So it's obviously a fox around right now. Yeah, look. You might stand, but oh, it's okay. I'm not going to fall through the ground. But the more you're walking it, the more it's just going to collapse under your feet like a sinkhole. So yeah. Chocolate. Jesus. Oh my god, that is crazy. Look at that. Look at this stream here. That is deep. That'll be super deep. But it's obviously coming from here. Oh, it's coming from that stream, I think. Yeah, look at that. Bloody hell. God, that's filled up so much. Wow. That has filled up a lot. You can see streaming going into there. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, look. Oh, look at that. Just go right into the ground. Oh my god. Holy shit, look at that. That is so high, that is so much water. You can tell it's obviously rainwater by the colour of the water, so yeah, that is insanely high. Bloody hell. Just from that 10 millimetres of rain in one go, I guess. And of course, welcome to the swamp. This is on the way to the badge set. Obviously can't go there no more because it's private land, which I didn't know. So yeah, I'm really upset about that. I really am. my god. Oh wow. These puddles are enormous. Oh god, soon it'll be quarry works soon, so that's going to be fun, isn't it? Oh my god, this one's so deep. Oh my god, it's like nearly, it's about half a foot. Look at that, that would usually be absolutely bone dry and rock hard. Oh, it's just liquid. It's just rainwater underneath the feet. Oh my god, this has filled up so much. Oh my god. Yeah, this has filled up a lot. I remember last time I came in my shoes, I could not get through, literally. I had to go all the way back, it was just impossible just to go through that. Oh, Jesus. This right here is clay and it stays wet. It gets very wet very easily, but then when it gets dry it will become bone dry, but it will take a while for it to dry up. But it gets wetter quicker than it dries up, so yeah, even in the summer, in hot months, this will take a while for it to dry. Yeah, just look at the size of this puddle here. Wow. That is deep. Very deep. That is literally full to the brim. The hell is that? I'm not sure what that is. It's a stick or something. A twig. Yeah. Won't be a bloody worm. Yeah, this bit is where they raise it and then it just goes both ways, but that is really, really full. That's probably the highest I've seen it. Obviously, I've been here, only been going here for like 2 months to see the badgers and stuff. So, yeah. Wow, I'm surprised my trousers haven't got mud on it. My trackies, which is good.